Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Apple ID on the device you want to use for iMessage. Open Settings, tap your name, and enter the Apple ID email and password. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication. Once done, make sure iCloud shows that you're signed in on this device. If you have multiple devices, sign in on each one to sync messages. This first step ensures your account identity is verified before you enable iMessage, which prevents activation errors. Now enable iMessage and link your Apple ID to the service. In Settings, open Messages and toggle iMessage on. The device will attempt activation. Next, tap Send and receive and sign in with your Apple ID if needed. Select the phone numbers and emails you want people to reach you at. Make sure the Start New Conversations from option uses your preferred contact. These settings control where messages are sent and how your identity appears to recipients, avoiding mismatched addresses. Finish by testing iMessage. Send a message to another Apple user and confirm it appears blue. If activation fails or messages stay green, toggle iMessage off, restart the device, then enable it again. This forces reactivation. Also verify date and time are set automatically and that your Apple ID has no unresolved billing or region conflicts. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID and back in. This troubleshooting step clears common sync issues and usually restores iMessage functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.